In this video, we will see dry run of the code.
So now let's quickly do a dry run of this problem. So I have an S string of length 6, right? So let me say n is 6 here, and I will take one longest. First of all, is my string length is less than equals to 1? No, it's not. So I will come here, I will store longest, and in my longest, I will store the 0th character. This is basically I will store E, right? So I will start from 0. So I will start from I here, right? And in each case, I will check odd case and even case, right? So first check odd case. So basically, I will pass S, this string, I will pass I and I, right? So if I am passing this here to this function, right? My L pointer will start from here, right? And my R pointer will also start from here, right? So let me create a next substring so that it won't mess up. So A, B, E, B, A, right? So here basically I will start from L pointer. Let me put L at the top, R at the bottom, right? So is the L is greater than equals to 0? Yes. R is less than S dot length? Yes. And S of L is equals to S of R? Yes. L minus minus, I will do L here, R plus plus R will be here, and again I will check. Is L is less greater than equals to 0? No. Now it's less than 0, right? So what I will do, I will return S dot substring L plus 1 to R. So basically what L plus 1 to R, so I will return A, right? So here in odd case, I will return A. It will check, is it greater than your longest? No, it's not, right? So what I will do, I will check for even first, then I will call the even case. So in even case, I will say I and I plus 1, right? So this one. So here, if I take this case, let me remove here. This case, my L pointer will be here, R pointer will be here, right? I will check, is L is greater than equals to 0, R less than S dot length, and both are equal. Yes, it is. L minus minus, L will be here, R will be here. Again, that's a false condition, right? So I will return an S substring dot L plus 1 to R. So I will return AA, right? So in even case, I will return AA, right? And it will check, is even case is greater than longest? Yes, it is. So my longest will be updated to even case. So my longest will be AA, right? Then what I will do, I will run a for loop again. Like similarly, my I pointer will be moved to here, right? Again, I will check for even and odd case, right? So here, let me, if I remove this one, right? My L pointer will be here, R pointer will be here, both are equal, right? L is greater than equals to 0, R is less than S dot length, both are equal. I will do L minus minus, R plus plus, right? Now again check, is L is greater than equals to 0? Yes. R less than S dot length, are they equal? No, it's not, right? A is not equals to B. I will return L plus 1 to R. So basically again I will return A, right? So in odd case, again there will be A, right? Now let's check the even case. In even case, what I will do, my I pointer is here, so I plus 1 will be here. So A and B, right here. So let me remove this one. My L pointer will be here, R pointer will be here. Is L is greater than equals to 0? Yes. R less than S dot length? Yes. And S of L is equals to S of R? No. So what I will do, I will simply come out from this loop and I will say return L plus 1 to R. So again I will return L plus 1 to R. That means I am returning nothing, right? L plus 1 to R, it won't return anything, right? So in even case, right, even case length will not be like, I will return an empty string basically, right? So in even case, dot length is not greater than the longest is still A, right? My I pointer will move ahead. I will come here. Again, I will check for L and R. So again here, if I remove this one and this one, my L pointer is pointing to B, R pointer is pointing to B, right? These three conditions are equal. My L pointer will here, R pointer will here. Not equal, again it will return only B in odd case, right? B is not greater than longest, so I won't update it, right? Then in even case, if I return, again it will return an empty string because this B and E are also not equal. Now let's move our I pointer here and now let's check this case, right? So here what I will do, I will again check for odd case first. So odd case, my L pointer is pointing to here, R pointer is pointing to here, L is greater than 0, R less than S dot length, and SL is equals to S of R. Yes, three conditions are meeting. L pointer will move here, R pointer will move here, right? Now again L is greater than equals to 0, R is less than S dot length, and S of L is equals to S of R. Yes, again, sorry, R, this is not an R, this will be an L, right? So now what will happen? Again L minus minus, R plus plus. Again I will check L is greater than equals to 0, R less than S dot length, S and L equals to S of R. Yes. Again I will do L minus minus and R plus plus. Now R is greater than S dot length. This loop will break and I will return and substring from L plus 1 to R. So I will return from this A to this A, right? So I will return this string in an odd case. So in odd case now here it will be returned by A, B, E, B, A, right? So is A, B, A, B, A dot length is greater than the longest? Yes, it is. So my longest will be updated with an answer A, B, E, B, A, right? Similarly here, after this odd case, I will check for the even case, right? So even case, I will pass I and I plus 1, right? So here, if I pass here, my L pointer will be at here, R pointer will be at here. These two condition will met, but this condition won't met. S and L is not equal to S of R. Again, it will return an empty string, right? Again, I will check, move my I pointer here, and I will check for this case B, right? For this case also, I will get a false result, right? Because see, right? For this case, again, I will check L pointer is here, R pointer is here. My again L will be here, R will be here, and these two are not equal. So it will return and string of length B only, right? So I will check is B is greater than the longest? No, longest is this one only, right? And yeah, that's the end of the loop, right? I am not going to here, right? I will check the even case as well, right? I will check the even case here, L will be here, R will be here, and this will also give me the false result. But the last point that I will visit, that will be only B, right? Because for the even case, because I am checking I plus 1. So the longest that I will achieve in the return, I will longest return the longest, and that I will achieve, that will be A, B, A, B, A. So basically this will be your answer, right? And this is how simple it will work. That's a dry run, and time complexity will be again big of n square, and space complexity will be big of n, big of 1, sorry, constant. So that's all for this problem. See you in the next problem. Okay, we are taking these problems that are more towards on problem solving, implementation problems, and this is one of the common interview problem. Okay, this is asked in many interviews. So let's continue this series and let's solve more problems on this series. Thank you.